The students are doing or taking a course in English. Someone is doing a crossword puzzle. A woman is doing a drawing of a face. He's doing him a favor by listening to his troubles. He's doing a job that he's not particularly happy with. He's in a dark studio doing a pop art painting of a woman. They're in an office doing or working on a project. They're doing a wonderful service, providing food and clothing for those in need. She's doing an assignment set by her teacher. He has lots to do, but at the moment he's not doing anything. He looks to be doing badly in his test. She does a lot of business online. She does a lot of the household chores, including the cleaning of windows. The flood has done a lot of damage. They do everything to keep their children happy. To keep in trim, she does exercises in the gym. He's only young, but he does a lot of good for the community. Plastic pollution is doing rivers untold harm. After school, he likes to lounge around and do nothing. She's doing research into cancer. A full appreciation of core values encourages companies to do the right thing. Volunteers doing something to help the needy. A man doing the dishes. A lady doing the gardening. A couple doing the housework together. A man doing the ironing. Mum and daughter doing the laundry. A man doing the shopping in a large supermarket. A lady doing the washing. The company are doing well. He feels stressed because he's done it wrong. The teacher is happy with her class because they all did their best. She's doing her hair before she goes out. A father helping his son to do his homework. Traffic police doing their job. And finally, a man receiving an email to say he has done his work badly. A message to teachers. The link below gives you access to the video on our website, which includes games with printable hard copy versions. These can be used in class or at home with no preparation except for printing. For all levels from B2 to C2, i.e. upper intermediate to advanced. Thank you for watching. Forwarding to students and colleagues, subscribing and liking much appreciated. Enjoy your teaching.